here's another do-it-yourself video. I bought a full motion TV wall mount and I'm going to mount my TV, so stay tuned. We're going to open up the box first and look at the components, and then we're going to install it. This is my video on the full motion TV wall mount mounting dream from Amazon. It was $30.59, model number MD2380, and that included delivery, $30.59. Now this is a little different than most of the stands I put up. This one's got the full motion TV wall mount. So let's see. I'm going to use it on my 50 or 49 inch TV I have. Okay, there we go. That up comes with the installation instructions. Comes with an HDMI cable. That's pretty good. Wow, looks like a nice one too. Pretty heavy duty, like some kind of cord. And we got the, wow, spacers, lag bolts, screws, washers. Wow, you name it, it's in there. And then we have a regular leveling device, a torpedo level, as I like to call it. A little level square, not sure what that's for. And let's see if we can get this open. Take one of the ends off. And we have a bracket for the TV. Now these, I'm pretty sure, hook up on the back of the TV, and what they'll do is they're the other way. They'll hook into the mounting stand, and this will hook to the back of the TV. So let's see what we got there. And of course the full motion tilt bracket itself. Let's see if we can get it out of this bag. And in the bottom of the bag is the mounting dream. I'm not sure what that is, probably some decal. We'll take a look at it. And we have the template. Aha! There is where the little level goes on the template. So you'll double stick it on there, and then put the template up where you want it and mark the holes. So let's see how easy it is to get it mounted. Okay, to start, I had to find the studs that are in the wall I want to hang it on. So what I did was I went above my acoustic ceiling tile and I identified the studs, put a screw there in each spot, and then I took the level, put it up there, made myself a line right there. As you can see, 2 lines right there. And then this one coming across here, this is where I decided how high the television will be off the ground. So I basically took that measurement and then I subtracted it, and I ended up measuring it from this top. Now you find out where this little level gets used. It's a independent level, and it's got a double stick tape on there. Let me show you where it goes. As you can see, here's the little level, and on the template it says right there, stick the level here. So I'm going to square it up best I can on the counter over there, and then I'm going to double stick tape it to the template. Okay, as you can see, I got the template and the little level right there stuck to it. Okay, so there's my center line right here for the center of the template, and here's my level, and I have the other center line. So what I'll do is try and match just one of them. Okay, so what I did was I extended the lines for the center and for the top here, because they have to go in the cross of the hole on the template. So let's give it a shot. So right about there, down a little. Check the level. Looks pretty good. Okay. See if we can stay right there. Alright, see how the cross matches my line? It matches this line. Okay. Let's see if we can screw a few holes in. Alright, we're going to start with this bottom left-hand corner. Okay, it's a good spot. So I did that just to start my lag screws. If you look, they want me to use like a 7/32 drill bit to start the hole, so this will help out. Okay, in the bag are the lag screws in number 1. So we'll take those out. So in the instructions, it says to use a 7/32 diameter drill bit for the 4 pilot holes. So I got it right out of here. It says 7/32. Let's give it a try. Okay, we're going to start with the first corner first. Alright, we're just going to let it hang there. Grab this other corner. Okay, now we're going to do the bottom screws. I don't think I can get any closer. Okay, now the 4 screws are in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this torpedo level on here, and we're going to get it close and see how we look. Wow, can you shine a flashlight on here for me? Put it back on the level. I wonder if I can make it. Yeah, probably can. Okay, and then here's the other set of leveling bolts. So if you don't get this one perfect, you can work it out with this one here and level these bolts with the torpedo level. Alright, so all you have to do is loosen these 4 Allen head nuts right back here. It's a little hard to see. Maybe if I step back a little. And then there's a couple on top right here. See these? One there, one there. And you got pretty much full adjustment right here. So I can do just about anything right there. So I'm going to level that off, and we'll do the back of the TV next. Okay, so there's the hanger completed, and now the next step is to put on the brackets on the back of the TV so it can be hung up there. So just so this gives you the idea how these brackets go, they go just like that. So these little hooks are pointing down. Alright, and then you can slide it across there, and these two go on the back of your TV. Okay, I found the correct screws, and they were the short ones, and I'm going to hang up the first one here. I don't believe there's a left and a right. I guess they're both on the left side for the screw, the tightening screw. So let's put up these two first. I'm going to say center them in between the TV and pick your holes. See, you're going to have to make it a little lower to get above this one here. Okay, in this kit they have all kinds of screws, and they have another set that are like this, but they're like this long. So see, make sure you don't take the long screw and have it go way in there. You don't want to destroy your TV. Okay, so if you want to center your TV on the stand itself, you got to remember these are the hooks. So this is approximately where the center of the stand is. So I've opted to go up here. So I'll tighten it up down there. We'll put the other one up here. Now in the instructions, they want you to lay your TV down. For God's sakes, try and get it standing up. I wouldn't lay anything down flat on my screen. Pillows, blankets, I don't care. I'd never do it. Okay, now to me, I think that's ready. Here's the back of it, and that's the 2 brackets there. Okay, so this is where you hang it up right here. The bottom comes here, and you tighten those screws. I'll show you where they are. Okay, so if you look, I don't know if you can see, but these 2 little screws right here, you tighten those up against the stand, okay? And there you have it, the TV stand on the wall mounted in about an hour, I'd say. And there's what it looks like. Okay, and here is the final look of the TV and how it looks. I still got to put something underneath it. I got to take the legs off. There it is, completed, level, nice. I'll get you another pic when I take the legs off and stuff. Okay, and there's the completed package, all done up, and that's about the best I can do for right now. Later on I'll put a cabinet underneath it and we'll tuck away all the power cords and stuff like that. So that was my final project there. There it is, complete, hanging on the wall. And that's it.